The Emerging Technologies Hub is designed on a concept which was started by IBM, and the concept was originally called the Watson IoT Studios. Basically, the concept is that if a client wants to adopt an AI solution or a robotics solution, and they're starting from a position where they have data on their industry, they can provide us with that data and we can model that in the Emerging Technologies Hub so that we can model it either as an AI solution for their business or as a robotics solution for their business.
Use case for this space is really broad. So we try to accommodate pretty much everything in this scenario. So do not have to touch or interact too much with the technology. So it's pretty much designed in a way where we can accommodate a case of event, classroom, conference, or showcase.
It needed to be of a flexible nature, the space, supporting sort of multiple different workflows and different styles of presentation and video conferencing. So Crestron MVX was selected as the video over IP solution, primarily because of that capability to support 4K video, which was required for sort of future-proofing, but also because we didn't want to be boxed into a fixed architecture.
Crestron is playing a major role in this space because we are heavily reliant on the Crestron technology all across the university-wide. So what we can essentially, a user can do here is that they can bring their own laptop, connect to the USB-C, and this USB-C will provide them a mirroring function to the screen. Apart from that, we have a Crestron control touch panel, which is 570 to change the inputs and output, plus the volume control. So we have a Crestron NVX set up in the rack itself. One NVX is for the transmission and one is NVX for the receiving end. We also have the air media for the wireless control. So user has a choice of a wired connection and the wireless connection. Audio is also delivered by the soundbar and rest is controlled via VC4 as well.
This has been delivered through VC4, which is Crestron's server-based control system, which the university uses across sort of all their spaces. So, a key part of that design principle then is being in all virtual was, there's no serial comms in the solution, everything's 100% IP, and everything's delivered over the network.
This is the first facility of this type in the world, which is hosted by a university but supported by a major technology company. And it's the regionality that is important because AI solutions will be necessary for all sorts of businesses. So it is a driver of an economic growth and development in this city and in regional Australia.
Definitely, this is one of the proud places in terms of the Fed Uni IDS or AV department because it's a really complex system, but it's still presented in a very simple way where a user can start using it with minimal effort of training.
We've got presentation capabilities, we've got flexible learning scenarios, we've got the ability to host a theatre or a formal event. It's all there, all that complexity's there, but it's hidden away. And we've got automation sort of running in behind it, delivering a great outcome for the customer, and having a system that is actually providing some real benefits to the customer, in this case the university. That's what gets me and my team out of bed.